My friend learned a $15 monthly payment could save her from losing everything when her upstairs neighbor's bathtub overflowed at 2 a.m. and flooded her entire apartment. She woke up to water dripping on her face and found her living room completely soaked. Her gaming setup, laptop, designer clothes, furniture, everything was sitting in 2 inches of murky water. The damage looked catastrophic, and she immediately started calculating how much money she had just lost. Here's where most renters would be completely screwed. The landlord's insurance only covers the building structure, not your personal belongings. Without renter's insurance, she would have been out nearly $8,000 in destroyed electronics and personal items. But she had gotten renter's insurance 6 months earlier after watching a video just like this one. That $15 a month suddenly felt like the smartest investment she had ever made. Within 48 hours of filing her claim, the insurance adjuster came out and documented everything. They covered her temporary hotel stay while the apartment dried out, reimbursed her for all the damaged electronics at replacement value, and even paid for professional cleaning of the items that could be saved. The total payout was over $7,000. Her monthly premium of $15 had literally saved her financial future. She went from potentially going into debt over someone else's mistake to actually upgrading some of her old electronics with the insurance money. Most renters think they don't need insurance because they don't own the building. That's exactly backwards thinking. You need to protect what you do own, and disasters happen to regular people every single day. Get renter's insurance today before you become another expensive lesson.